Hey YouTube family and friends, how are you guys doing today? If you want to see what we're up to, please stay tuned and keep watching.
Yeah.
So today we came to the park. The playground is on this side, but we're not going to go over there today. We're just going to take a walk through the nature part of the park because we really love this park. And we haven't been out here in so long. I only have Genesis and Midori with me today. Say hi, Dor. Say hi, Genesis.
Hi, it's me, dear baby turtle. Right, mommy? What does this mean?
We don't know. We'll see.
I saw that people just make the comment
Hello.
hello. They just make the comment and then
You hear that?
some people
So beautiful out here. Peaceful. We used to come out here all the time before COVID came. I think the last time I was out here is when I took my maternity pictures when I was pregnant with Dory. Hubby took them with his phone. And they came out so beautiful. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram. I'll put my link or my Instagram name in my bio. Go to the description box so you guys can check it out. And you'll see my pictures I took out here at this park. There's like a walking park over there where you can go like on the bridge and see the water. When you see, sometimes this area here, it has water in it like it does now, and then sometimes it's dried up. But we've been getting a lot of rain, so it's like a little lake right now. I've been so tired, so I just wanted to get out with two little ones and just take a walk out in nature. I just dropped off hubby and our big kids to school, so decided to take a walk.
That way.
Anyway, I'm gonna stop rambling and just let you guys see this beautiful park and beautiful scenery. Genesis. You okay? Guys, that's it for this video. I'm gonna take the kids around for another walk and just to get the beauty without me filming and just relax a little bit. You know, sometimes you just need a break just to you know, relieve your mind, just take out negative energy and just relax and just breathe and take in some clean air. Sometimes getting outside and just getting into nature, it can just help you in so many ways. You know, pray, just relax. So I'm just gonna take a moment and just walk around with the kids a little bit more and then head out of here because someone wants to go see turtles at the pet store. Right, Denison? He wants to go play, but we're not gonna go play. We have a lot to do at the house. He doesn't, I do. But yeah, hubby found a baby turtle yesterday at work, And the principal, she took it home and got her a new buddy. This is awesome. So now he wants to go see the baby turtles at the pet store. So we're gonna go check that out. So look at the baby turtles. And I want to see them too. So they're just adorable. So we're gonna relax and just take another walk around. Just let mommy woosah. And let the kids and myself take in nature a little bit. So thanks for joining us on this short video clip. I think I'll leave a picture of the park title at the end of the vlog or mini video, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for coming on our nature walk journey. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you got a little relaxing moment out of it, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Catch you on the next one. Goodbye. You want to say bye? Sorry guys.